How to choose a trading bot for a copy trading Bybit. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to choose a trading bot for your copy trading on Bybit app. After you open the Bybit app like this, go to your profile at the top left side. After you go to your profile, now you tap on this all services button. After you tap on the all services, so go to trade section, trade. Under the trade section, now you tap on this where it says trading bot. After you select the trading bot, so now if you want to choose a trading bot that you want to use, so just scroll to down. If you scroll to down, these are different trading bot as you can see now, and from there here you'll be able now to see the percentage that they are making at this time. So this one is making 1,600%. So just go ahead now. If you want to use any one of them, just tap on this use button. So from there, now you choose the fruit trading bot for your trading on the Bybit app. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.